Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So somehow find this area here. Somehow find this area here from 3 all the way to 9. So from 3 all the way to 9. Bear in mind that dead on 3, this whole thing here breaks down. But somehow work out this area. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, we would integrate it from let's say from an arbitrary point A all the way to 9, and then later on allow A to head towards 3 from the positive direction. So later on allow A to head towards 3 from the positive direction. So to work out this, we know that dead on 3, this whole thing here breaks down. So we have to integrate it from A to 9, and then later on let A tend towards 3 from the positive direction. So to integrate this, we will need to integrate it from an arbitrary point A to 9, and then so now it's just a matter of integrating this. So to integrate this, your eyes should zoom into this bit here, and then create a right angle triangle in such a way that this thing here will be true. Well, if you make this to be 3 and this to be x, then this length here will have no choice but to be x squared minus 9 square root. If you make this to be 3, if you make this to be x, then this has no choice but to be this. So if you look at this, cos the angle, cos would be this. Cos the angle would be 3 over x, would be 3 over x. So rearrange this. Rearrange it. X will be this thing here. Well, if x is this thing here, differentiate this. So dx will be this. And by the way, by now you should know how to integrate this. We've done this. We've spent a lot of time doing integration. So when you see this, you should already know this. So dx equals this thing here, and then looking at the diagram. Remember, we made this to be 3, this to be x. This, remember, had no choice but to be this. So if you look at this, tan the angle, tan would be this. Tan would be this thing, that's this thing, divided by 3. Rearrange it, 3. So this thing here is what we were after all along. So this thing here is what we were after all along. So we can put this into here, and then this dx here, we can put this whole thing here into the dx. So if dx equals this thing here, we can put this into the dx, put it into the dx. If this thing here is this thing here, 3tan, we can then put it into this bit here. So this whole thing here will then become this. Will then become this. So now the 3 will cancel out, tan will cancel out. So all that you're left with is secant theta. Now it's just a matter of integrating secant of theta. I will continue in the next video. We have already done this. We've already done how to integrate secant of theta. But I will continue in the next video.